Hi all. Today here I'm going to discuss about Linux server. How can you make as a FTP? If you want to use as a Linux server, then we need to do install some packages. From that, we need to use the particular service as a from Linux server side. For that, we need to check what are the port for the FTP server. By default, on the network side, we can use as a FTP protocol itself. The port 2021 is reserved for this data and connection purpose. If you want to check, first I'm going to check whether this my package is installed or not in my server with the command of rpm-qa pipe grep vs ftpt is the package name. Just click it. Now the package is not yet installed. That is a pre-check somewhere. Now I'm going to install with this yum. If you want to go with already I given this, how can you create a yum repository? From that only we can install these packages. Yum install. The package name is vsftpd. Click on it. It will go and search the packages in the yum repository. Then it will ask that click on buy. After that, the package has been installed. From that, we need to check related services start or not. For that, we have to use a command of system. CTL is the command to either any service stop, start, restart, anything. Right now I'm checking the status of service vsftp is the daemon to provide the particular service. Now it's showing here the vsftpd is status is inactive. If you want to start it, we can use the similar command. Instead of status, I'm going to use start. Click it. After starting it, we need to check once again the status. Now it's showing this vsftpd is running status. Now by default, if it is running means we are able to use this server as a FTP. For the validation also, we need to check firewall service is running or not. For the command itself, system ctl, this typo error, system ctl status firewall is the related daemon for blocking the firewalls. Once it active and running means it won't allow to the particular service from the server. Right now the firewall is running. Either we can go and stop this firewall or else we can add this FTP service for the firewall. If you want to add the particular service, we need to use the command as firewall cmd. Firewall-cmd is the command. For that, we need to use --, permanent. We need to use as a put the permanent --add service equal to. We need to use port number, or else we can go with the port number, or else we can go with the service. Then we need to use service, or else I am going to use the port. Add port equal to, we need to use the port 21. Now it's in comments. Okay, just I'm going to use the, this is spell mistake, permanent, NENT. Okay, now sorry, it's a port 20. This is the command to add this, or else we can ignore this one. I am going to stop this my firewall system. I will tell this firewall demonstration in going forward session. How will you stop the firewall? How will you add the firewalls? Right now I am going to disable the firewall and my system ctl stop firewall. After stopping it, I can able to check this whether the FTP protocol is running or not. With this, I need to find out the what is IP address of my server. Right now, this is my IP address. I'm taking any one IP. Then I'm going to browser. From the browser, I'm going to use FTP as a protocol, the server IP. Or else I can check it whether this firewall stop status is running or not. Yeah, its firewall is down. Then I'll check this IP. Any one IP, we can check it. Is it able to get this page or not? If you are using FTP, particular IP, it should be block it. That's now is showing that IP is blocking. Now is able to get this server. By default, if you click here, it will get this whatever available folders inside my directory. You want go to here also. The server, the parent directory of FTP is where FTP pub is the directory. From that, whatever for the file we can able to see here. If you want to create any directory, I will create here mkdir. Just I'm creating one directory. Similar way, whatever the directory created in FTP server, we can browse the same in the protocol through FTP. Go here, parent directory, just click here. Here, Krish is there. Whatever I created directory, we can able to see. This is the FTP server protocol. How can you make it? That is the demonstration about the FTP. Based on this FTP, we can create the service as a Linux server. For that, we need to install the FTP package.